Alrighty, and we're back with week 9 of GoMining's Miner Wars. Actually, sorry, scratch that. Not Miner Wars, Solo Mining. I don't know why I said that. I looked at the word Miner Wars and it just, I said it. This is not Miner Wars, this is Solo Mining. This is week 9 of Solo Mining in GoMining. That's what I meant to say. We're not going to edit that out. We're going to leave that in. Sometimes we fuck up. Now, this one's more accurate. We're only doing this a few days after the week has ended, and our total rewards so far in GoMining is 0.02619521 Bitcoin. It says it's worth $2,803.87, but let's just see what the actual conversion is. The actual conversion is just, a few dollars lower. It is what it is. It is $2,798.09. Still sitting pretty with 3 miners. Obviously, one of those is just, the bonus miner that no one, like, you only get it once. You know what? I'm going to make another video on explaining how this works, the trial miner, because some people don't understand the trial and how the trial or / bonus miner works. So that'll be for another video. Still have 215 terahash in total, 20 watts of terahash. So the total rewards we got for last week on June 17th all the way up to June 23rd, and to even prove that I'm actually talking about, last week, it is June 27th today. This one is a more up-to-date video. Some of them were the past 2 I slacked for a few weeks, and those have been very busy working. But last week we got a total of 0.000300522 Bitcoin, which means we made $32.60 last week. Not too shabby for just every day coming over here and clicking this damn button. Not too bad. That's really good. That's really good. And in my virtual wallet, I currently have 0.00597295 Bitcoin just sitting there. As soon as it gets to 0.006, I'm going to send it to my my little Trezor wallet, which means my virtual wallet will then be only at 39 cents or whatever amount is just in GoMining. I'll make a little video of me sending this over, showing how to do it, just so people understand for the future in case they don't know how to. It's very easy, very, very simple. And if you want to start mining Bitcoin, because who doesn't want to, especially when you don't have to buy the actual rig and set it up yourself, upgrade your electrical panel, worry about all that extra expenses, the sound of it, things loud as hell. My referral link will be down in the description below, and you'll get an extra 5% bonus in terahash. I swear to God, last week, or it may even, it was literally last week, I'm pretty sure, or even the other day. It seems like they keep switching it every other week or so, that you either get a 5% bonus in terahash on your first miner purchase if you use the referral link down in the description below, or you will get a 5% bonus cash back on your first purchase if you use the referral link down in the description below. But either way, if you want to start mining some Bitcoin today, I would suggest doing it. If you buy 100 terahash worth, you get an extra 5 terahash straight on top, and for as little as $25.99, you can start off with just 1 terahash at 20 watts of terahash, or you can get the 96 terahash, close to 100, for $2,302.99, and then you also get an extra 5% on top of that, which is 4.8 terahash. And 4 terahash alone is worth over $100. So start mining today, make some good Bitcoin, and we'll see you guys soon. Have a good one.